What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It left me stranded, boys. It did. So this is the situation. My pumps, well, not my pumps, the pumps are fine. The controller, which you can kind of see down in there, it's got a bad relay. You get the, where's that? Yeah.
Yeah, I can jump it.
Check this out.
And the pump should run, but it ain't gonna run because this thing, see?
Yeah, the relay is just clicking.
It's clicking. It's something inside.
Yep. There's 300 miles on this. It's the best you can buy for fuel system. I missed my 250. Bad. Alright guys, so here's what happened. Last Saturday, air was all fixed, great, colder than hell. And drove all the way home, which is about a 30-minute drive, and I stopped at the gas station, then went to head on to the house. Well, the car didn't want to start when I left the gas station. I finally got the car started and pulled out of the gas station, and it made it about 100 feet and died. And I ended up sitting on the side of the road for an hour waiting on a wrecker to come. So the wrecker comes, takes the car home. The next morning, Dover brings his wrecker, comes down, gets it. We take it out to the shop, and we changed a little bit of the wiring up. Car fired right up. Everything was great. I made it roughly 10 minutes down the road from the shop, and it died again. So it's been sitting here all week. It acts like it wants to crank when it's cool. I guess the controller is getting hot, I don't know, but now it's pretty much dead. And as you just saw, the relay internally of the FC34 box is apparently junk. So essentially what we're going to do for now, because I don't have another controller, is just bypass it and everything should be fine for now. To say it's frustrating when you buy the most expensive, what's supposed to be the highest quality fuel system on the market, and it doesn't make it 300 miles, is pretty damn frustrating. But luckily we can kind of band-aid it. Alright, let's give her a whirl here. Maybe she'll come to life. Oh. Yep. Fired up? Yep. We got fuel. It's amazing. Well, that's that for now. In the meantime, I gotta get a hold of 4 and see what their see what their process is for getting this thing replaced. In case you didn't see the post, they're having some issues over there apparently, to put it mildly. Good God Almighty, it looks I don't even want, I don't even know what to say. Anyway, we got a lot of stuff here. So the Terminator swap Fox, we did get the motor, fully built Terminator engine right here, brand new 3.0 Whipple. I guess he decided to go with the 3.0 instead of the 2.9 that's over there. Yeah, we got a whole front and rear bare brake kit. Oh, I don't even know what's in half these boxes, but anyway, we are about to start the Terminator swap on Dover's old car, because we got a motor, and we're about to kick off the 22 build. If you guys caught the video, here is the entire drivetrain for the 22. Already got the headers on, trans is on, transfer case is on. We're about to light that off here real quick. And then Brian's getting excited. Yeah. Looky here. About ready to go to Moe's Speed Shop, ain't it?
Hopefully Tuesday.
Yes. So Tuesday Brian's mock heading on down. Man, everything installed looks absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. All the tanks powder coated black. I mean, it looks great. Got the half cool heat exchanger in there. Yeah, we could fire it, but we don't have any gas or nothing, so we're not gonna fire it. But it is about ready to head down to the ATL and get tuned. Hopefully Jeff and Marty can get it knocked out for Ford takeover. All right, guys, so I kind of got to pump the brakes a little bit. Looks like the controller wasn't actually the issue. The issue appears to be we have 2 dead pumps.
That one's dead.
Yeah, it ain't nothing.
Nope, it's dead.
We got 2 dead pumps.
But then, see, that's your third one that got done, which then I can do this wonderful thing.
Yeah, I think that clip's busted.
Yeah, but I just touch that.
There it is.
Yep, so you got 2 dead pumps.
So,
Because the one thing is this right here, you do this, it's got continuity to the pump.
yep. No, we ain't getting nothing.
Nope.
So it was not the controller. We have 2 junk pumps.
It happens, unfortunately.
That sucks. Right before Ford takeover too.
We'll get it fixed.
Yeah. Luckily, talked to Ken at HPR. He's got some more on the way. I'm telling you, new parts these days. It's bad, dude.
Don't trust them.
I just replaced a brand new AC compressor. Had 300 miles on it. It was a FOMO Co. That wasn't even a parts store one.
Don't even get me started right now.
Man, I tell you what. That sucks. So the car is basically, and the other thing is too, I don't know how long I've been running on 1 pump. You know, I don't have any way of knowing.
You know.
Still nothing?
No. I think you need an actual tool. Hang on.
Hands on.
If you barely crack the throttle with idle,
Yeah. Might open it up a little more and do the
that's why I'd probably redo. I'd probably crack it open like another full turn and see what she does.
On the throttle blade?
Well, the one thing is with the Holly,
Mm-hmm.
the last one I done, you know, the last couple ones we done at the shop,
Yeah.
it's like they tell you they want the car to be able to idle really low without the idle air control. This way the idle air control is only working at X amount of percent.
Ah, that makes sense.
That was actually a Ford Performance branded blower too.
Yeah, it was a damn Shelby Shelby truck. Yeah, burn it up.
You see that stupid oil control shit for the cylinder deactivation too.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's Gen 4. It had all the Shelby stuff on it. And the blower, full of water. It's probably seized up now. But when we went and picked it up, I was moving the throttle body and water was coming out of the blower. I think it can be rebuilt, right? Yeah.
Toasty!
Yeah. Yep.
Golly.
Sucks. Yeah, Shelby Performance.
I wonder what caused it. Was it electrical fire or was it?
I don't know. But it had the Fox, the full Fox suspension on it. All the exhaust said Shelby. Yeah. Somebody had a really bad day. But we got a Gen 3 or a Gen 6 Whipple for sale cheap.
Fire sale.
We know what we got, right? You can see the rod in there?
Yeah, look.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Uncle Rodney decided he wanted to leave.
Dude, he was having fun. He sent the rod to God and then paid dearly for it.
Mm-hmm.
Ah.
So you get your money back, you burn it down.
Yeah. I guess the only thing is stuff like this, like you buy these from the dealership, like he didn't just build this, whoever had it didn't just build the truck.
They're weighing 125, 130,000.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they're highs. They're crazy expensive. But I mean the trans and all that's good. The transfer case is good. All right, so we've got one pump wired. The last one, I'm assuming the third one. Oh, that's not promising. Uh-oh. I think we might have. We didn't hook the pump back up, did we?
No, we didn't.
Okay.
Clanking around too much.
Yeah. All right, we're hooked up. Let's see. Ah, I hear pump. There we go. So I'm gonna take it up the road. Ah, damn. I'm gonna take it up the road, make sure I actually make it back. And if so, we'll try to get this damn thing home. All right, so went about 5 miles so far. Everything is good. I'm gonna get back to the shop, see if it'll restart, because it seemed like the pumps were getting hot, or in this case now a pump, and then it didn't want to restart. But last time it threw the check engine light and just pretty much died going down the road. So far so good, but unfortunately I got to be super easy on the car because I've only got one pump running. So no boost, no activities. All right, made it back to the shop. Everything was good. Will it crank back up? We'll see. Yep. I think we're good for the moment on this pump. Call it good. Well, we'll live for now. We'll should have our pumps here in a few days. We'll get that squared away. We got a lot before Ford takeover, dude.
Don't even get me started.
Yeah. Chris was gonna have his brand new built motor in the car, but you're going.
I'm not gonna push for it. I'm gonna wait till I can get a couple more things and do it all in one crack.
Yeah. I mean, it still runs and drives fine.
Oh yeah.
So yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And then the Epic Mach, it's all outside ready to get loaded up. Head down to Georgia, get a little Moe's tuning action. I'm still real excited. I'm guessing 550. That's my guess.
What size pulley's on it?
I don't even know. It's like cut down. It looks like a old Ricart racing pulley, but it's like cut down. It's got a 2-pound lower on it. But I have no idea what that pulley is.
I'd probably say it's probably gonna be about right, but it's gonna scream.
Yeah. Pump gas. He should have put it on the E85, but you know. Baby steps, you know. It's boosted now. We'll see what happens down the road. And then poor Matt, he's still struggling with the Windsor. Won't be long though. I headed home. I had to shout out Chris. He's right behind me. He's gonna follow me most of the way. It should make it. Cars, man, I'm telling you. I say it damn near every video now. They'll bite you in the ass every time, but hopefully, fingers crossed, we're gonna make it to the house. All right, boys, since you made it home, thank God, on one pump. Man, I'm gonna tell you guys, this is not the time of the year I need to be tearing this car back apart. But huge shout out to Ken at HPR. He's got me some more pumps coming. I am gonna install the Breeze tank vent in the car, just to be sure that, you know, I don't know why they failed. Don't know why they failed. Did a little look and it said if you've got a kink in your line, which I know I don't have them, because I had to take the lines out twice when it sprung a leak right there. So I know the lines are good. There's no kinks, but I am going to install that Breeze tank vent in it. Also, one other thing Ken mentioned is you've got to keep a decent amount of fuel in the tank, which I have been. for the simple fact that my sender stopped working. So while the tank's down, I'm going to put another new sender in it, put the new pumps in it, and put the breeze tank vent in the car. And hopefully we never have to revisit this again. But I'm telling you guys, with Ford Takeover coming in just a few weeks, I ain't got time for it. Luckily, I really don't have to do anything as far as get the car ready for the show. Pop's car's running great. It still needs lots more upgrades and some more tuning. But as far as being ready for the show, she's good. I love them. Dude, I'm telling you, I love them. Love these cars. Yes, guys, Ford Takeover is upon us. Now, look, I did a little something different this year. The event tees are on the website in colors and sizes that we will not have available at the show. So if you want like a 5X shirt in pink or royal blue, get on the website now. Go ahead and order that now. You'll have it in time for the show. Again, we will not have a lot of these like really large or really small shirt sizes at the event, and we won't have all these wild colors. So if you want to do that, and then your shirt's already ready to rock for Friday at Ford Takeover, they're on there. We'll get them out to you. Make sure you get them before the show. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please drop me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.